Introducing Wonderwall Expandable Trellis, the cost-effective, easy-to-use and instant solution for screening and hedging. Hide those untidy areas around your garden, bins, oil tank and unsightly walls, or simply looking to add a bit of colour to your patio area. Wonderwall Expanding Trellis is the perfect solution. Wonderwall trellising is incredibly versatile, and when the recommended coverage is 2 meters by 1 meter, it can be expanded and adjusted to suit to individual needs of the user, be it to cover a fence panel or the side of a shed. Wonderwall Expanding Trellis gives you a totally natural look without any of the maintenance. The trellis is made of completely natural willow with an incredibly lifelike polyethylene plastic leaf, which is weatherproof, waterproof and has been UV stabilised, giving a 5-year guarantee that the leaf will not fade in the sun. Wonderwall Expanding Trellis is also very easy to install. Either screw, nail or zip tie to your fence, creating a completely natural look and bringing colour to an area of your garden that was previously bare. Wonderwall Expanding Trellis is available in a variety of different leaf styles. Check in store now to see the range available. Wonderwall Expandable Trellis by Mercer, the cost-effective, easy-to-use instant solution for screening and hedging.